In this, we will see all the types of what uh, folk dances. See, what actually are the folk dances? See, folk dances are guided by the songs that glorify the nature, expresses traditional occupation, devotion to the deities, and see, they are not professionally trained folk dances, and they glorify the nature. Rarely devotees and their local devotees, not the traditional devotees, and traditional occupations. The folk dances are classified into following like occupational, seasonal, like based on the occupation, based on the season, martial art forms, devotional and ritualistic. Some rituals are there. Those are by from generations to generations they gather the movement. So there are many types of folk dances like Bhangra. We will here I will tell about few major important dances like Bhangra, Garba, Bihu, Chow dance, Padayani, Gaur, Jhumar, Kummi, Teraputu, Majlil, Majilattam, Yakshagana, Bhavai, Dandiya Rasa, Tamasha, Kutiyattam, Uttam Tullal, and so on. See, there are many like Kutiyattam, Uttam Tullai, Kavadiyattam, Dummy, Rauf, Hikkat, Gitta, Cham, Ras Dance, Pangucholam, Jatra, and Baul, and Charkula. See, first we'll look at the Bhangra. See, Bhangra. If you tell the name Bhangra, we origin is Punjab. Musical instruments used are tabla, dola, chinta, and other reasons like for weddings and social festivals. Bhangra. And when coming to the Garba, Gujarat, women folk, Garba festival, women folk enacted before the temples of Mother Goddess Goddess Amba, related to the Goddess Amba, and derivation of how the Garba name is derived, or Garba Deep, lamp inside the earthenware pot, light glows inside the temple sanctum, style rhythmic clapping, circular movement, reason Navaratri Holi, they are performed. Then coming Bihu Assam, regional festival of Bihu, brisk dance movements by men and women, costumes traditional, colorful Assamese garments like Bihu, origin is Assam, regional festival of Bihu. Like if you look at the Bihu, origin is Assam, regional festival of Bihu people. Brisk dance movements by both men and women. Costumes, traditional, colorful Assamese garments. We able to see. Next is Chow dance. See, Chow dance is in many states. We can't say exact one state Chow dance. We can call it as Eastern Indian dance. Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Chow dance, West Bengal. Origin is Eastern India. Martial art dance form. Main dance, martial. It is a type of martial art dance forms. And also, there are three styles in this Chow dance. Like male dances use the mask. Male dances here use the mask. Three styles are there. Uh, Seraikela in Jharkhand, Purulia in West Bengal, Purulia Chao, Sarikela Chao, Jharkhand, Purulia Chao, West Bengal, and Mayurganj, Odisha, Mayurganj Chao, Odisha. That is three times in three states. In West Bengal, which Chao, Purulia Chao. In Jharkhand, Sarikela Chao, and in Odisha, Sarikela Chao. Serai Kela Chao, and in Purulia, Purulia Chao, West Bengal, Mayurganj in Odisha, popular in Purulia district of West Bengal. How the Chao is derived? Derivation Chaya, shadow or mask, depicts themes from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Puranas. And next is Padayani. Padayani, the origin is Kerala. Main centers Kottayam, Kulom, and Patanamitha and Alleppey. And regional temples of festivals, masks of various shapes are used. And when coming to masks of various shapes are used in this Padayani. Basically, Padayani, Kerala, temple art forms, temple folk dancer, masks are used here. Main centers are Kottayam, Patanamitra, and Alleppey. Comes Padayani, regional temple festivals. Padayani, I also told Kerala. And next dance is Gaur dance. Gaur, you can say Gaur. It's a type of also a cow breed. Origin Madhya Pradesh, Bastar district of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. And reason weddings basically. Meaning ferocious bison. I already told it's a type of bison or cow family belongs to the bison. ferocious beast meaning gaur, and both performed by men and women. And costume, men has head decorated with strings of cowrie shells. The cowrie shells, that cow, it has a gaur, right? Gaur is also an important in Central Indian wildlife sanctuaries. Gaur, decorated strings of cowrie shells, plums of peacock, decorated strings of the cowrie shells, and the plums of the peacock. Men has head and peacock, as well as the strings of the cowrie shells, and women brass hillets and head necklaces. Remember, people are people are called for dance by sanding a bamboo or trumpet before the starting of the dance. People are called by bamboo trumpet is being horned. Men with the drums move in circle, create a variety of dancing patterns. uh, people are people call for a dance by sounding a bamboo trumpet on as horn. Men drums move in circle, create variety of dancing patterns, incorporates movement by bison. Uh, Jhumar, origin Punjab during the harvest season, slower and more rhythmic form of Bhangra. See, Bhangra also Punjab, Jhumar, slower or more rhythmic form of Bhangra. Content of the songs, love and emotion, Jhumar. Perform in the circles in tune of songs. Perform in circles in the tune of songs. Next is Kummi. Kummi, Tamil Nadu. Performers are women. Temple festivals and Pongal. Women stands in circle, dance by clapping hands rhythmically. One of the women leads the song, others take up refrain. Okay. Songs, basically women songs, Kunni. And Teraputu, Tamil Nadu, during the village festivals, junctions of the village, near the junctions of the village, performers are both men and women. Teraputu, Teraputu and Kummi, Tamil Nadu. Next is Majilottam is Tamil Nadu. Majilattam, Tamil Nadu. Artistic and religious form of dance. It is an artistic and religious form of dance performed in the temples. Performed at temples. Artistic and religious forms of dance. Performer dance on tall pieces of wood. Performer dance on tall pieces of wood, and at the end of the feet, costume like a peacock break, Majilottam, Tamil Nadu, on the piece of wood, Lattam means wood, teak, Lattam, and performed in the temples. Performer dance on the tall piece of wood on his feet, at the end of the feet, costume, peacock, and peacock beak type costume. And next is that is what that is Majil. Next is Yakshagana. Yakshagana, Karnataka, musical dance drama, stories of Indian epics like Puranas, stories of Indian epics like Puranas, themes of valor and heroism, Ramayana, Mahabharata, manifestation of God Vishnu, important footworks, important is in the footworks, and it's basically a dance drama, dance plus drama of what of Indian epics, Puranas, Ramayana, Mahabharata, theme, heroic and valors, and Ramayana, Mahabharata. And dance for expressions. Important is footwork in dance. Hand gestures is absent. Basically, hand gestures is absent here, and hand gestures are present in the Kuchipudi. Costume color red and yellow. Costume color red and yellow. Starts in the twilight hours. That is twilight hours. Beating compositions on drums up to hours before actors get on the stage. That is invitation, like drums calling for invitation. And that is about the Yakshagana in the and next is uh, Bhavai. Bhavai, Gujarat. Seven colorful pot folk dances. Bhavai. Seven colorful pot folk dances, skillfully balanced. It is also there in Kuchipudi, right? Bhavai. But in separate. Bagan. Bhavai. In Gujarat. Bhavai. Seven colorful pot folk dances. Balanced. It is of Gujarat. Another is Dandiyaras of Gujarat style simple and rhythmic. Performers, young people, move around the imaginary circle to beat dandiya sticks carried in their hands. And Tamasha, Maharashtra. Tamasha is of Maharashtra. 16th, 18th century form of entertainment derived from the Persian world spectacle pattern Maratha rulers. Tamasha pattern is a spectacle 18th century. It's an entertainment, tamasha, form of entertainment, Maharashtra, Maratha rulers. Kutiyattam, Kutiyattam, Kerala, Sanskrit theatre tradition, more than 2000 years, closely follows precepts of Natya Shastra, Kutiyattam, and 2000 years experience in Sanskrit theatre tradition, origin in Kerala. And after the Kutiyattam, we have Ottam Tullai. Ottam Tullai. It's out of Kerala, similar to the Kathakali. Poor man's Kathakali. It is called Ottam Tullai. Ottam Tullai is poor man's Kathakali. Solo dance, simplicity and humor is also there. Ottam Tullai. Tullai is a poor man's Kathakali. Ottam Tullai. Ottam Tullai. Poor man's Kathakali. Ottam Tullai. Ottam Tullai. Poor man's Kathakali. And Kavadiyattam. Kavadiyattam. Kavadiyattam is also Tamil Nadu. Karagam temple dance. Karagam temple dance. Kavadiyattam. Big kavadas are from the temple. Ure is the Kavadiyattam. Next to Dummy. Tamil Nadu. Dummy. Horse dance in temples. Dummy. Horse dances in temples. Dummy. And Rof. Jammu and Kashmir. Rof. Basically women dances. Rof. Harvest season of Jammu and Kashmir. And Hikat, Jammu and Kashmir, expression of joy and love, performers of both girls and boys. That is Hikat, boys and girls Hikat. And Gidda, Gidda is of Punjab, women in harvest festival. And next is Cham, Cham is Arunachal Pradesh. Uh, Cham is of Arunachal Pradesh. It is of Bhardo Cham, we can call it as Arunachal Pradesh, masked ritual, Bhardo Cham. We have Ras dance. Ras dance is of Manipur. Manipur is similar to the Ras Leela. Celebrates the depicts the life of Sri Krishna. Maharas, Nitya Ras, and Vasanta Ras. These are seasonal, and that is of Manipur. And Pungcholam. Pungcholam is a Manipur dance on Mrudangam. Taking the boys, the male perform. It is part of the Manipuri dance. Males perform the Mrudangam by dancing with a mridangam. Dancers execute amazing and energetic movements in a unique combination. Pungcholam. Pungcholam. Next is Jatra. West Bengal. 15th result of a Bhakti movement Jatra. Devotees of Krishna go into Yatra or Jatra. Procession to holy places. Procession to holy places by singing and dancing. That is called Jatra. That is Jatra in West Bengal. Next is after the Jatra Bowl. Bowl is of West Bengal. Wandering Ministerial of Sahajiya sector. Wandering Ministry of Sahajiya sector. Tantric sector of Bengal. Bowl. You take a bowl and go to West Bengal. Wandering Minister of Sahajiya sector. Tantric sector of Bengal. Week long festival. During all Babas sings and dance. Babas with bowl sing and dance. West Bengal. Wandering Sahajiya sector. Its origin is Uttar Pradesh. What Charukla? Charukla origin is Uttar Pradesh. Charka, you can call it as Uttar Pradesh. Built women balancing large multi-storied circular wooden pyramids on their heads. Built women balancing large multi-tiered circular wooden pyramids on their heads. Women with Charukla, Uttar Pradesh, with large fire balancing large multi-tiered circular wooden pyramids on their heads. That is Charkula. Lighted 108 oil lamps, 108 oil lamps on their head, Charkula. Balancing like pyramids, dance on Rasya, performed on third day of Holi, songs of Lord Krishna, day of this Charkula, Uttar Pradesh. That is all about the folk dances, very important folk dances.